Hi friends, today I'm showing you this Kenmoy ring toss outdoor games for adults and family. You can see these are the parts inside the package, and we will now open the package to see. So here is the bag that comes for this game, and you can see the description of how to play. We will show and explain that later on. So for now we will just open the box and see all the content as described in the previous photo. So here are the parts. So this is the pole. So one wooden pillar, one wooden top bar, one wooden ladder, one wooden base, one wooden cup, two hooks, three rope hanging tab, two ropes, two rings. So let me just assemble this whole game. So this is actually the low part, but I'm just trying to show you. This is the cup that you will just place for each member. So you have to place it in the center, and then as soon as the one person will get the ring on the hook, then they will just move it. So actually the round one is the base, and now this is on the top, so you can see it here. I'm just putting it and assembling it. So these are the metal hooks and metal rings. So just twist it and to fix it. So these are the rope hanging pegs. And these are the two hooks that goes on the pillar. So just rotate and twist and it will work. So I just show the one part, and then this thread will go one side to the ring and the other side and the peg, the hanging peg. So with the assembly, this is look like this, the whole setup. So you can put this ring towards this, and then you have to just throw it in the ring. So this is how you can play the game. Put it in the center and then start playing with it. So here, like after assembly, it looks like this. So once you throw the ring in the hook, it will go like this, and then you will move your peg like this cup. So I'm just trying to show you quickly so that the video will not delay. I'm not perfect with this game, need some practice. So you can just move the cup as soon as it is going. So it's a fun game.